Say hi to the Mexicola avocado, perfect for cooler climates and bold flavor lovers. It thrives in full sun and handles temps down to 18 degrees Fahrenheit, rare for an avocado. Water young trees twice a week, mature trees just once. Fertilize every 2 months with a gentle organic mix like 666, and mulch yearly in spring. The fruit, small black and the thin skin is edible. Leaves even smell like anise. Tall and fast growing, it can hit 35 feet with an open canopy. It's a type A flower, so pair with a type B like Fuerte for better yield. Cold tolerant, fragrant and tasty. Mexicola is the rebel of the avocado world.